Picture of taking social media pictures. This is the caboose that we've been working on that they posted a video of earlier in the year that you can see me in the background of when they were talking on the project when it was in earlier stages. It's just about done. We got a couple more things to do. It DJ over there was saying. Got to put the roof on it, and this is the color it's going to be. We have a couple other things. Should be done by year's end, I think, he said. Maybe around December, Santa train time. Smile, DJ. This is going on my YouTube account.
That's great. Look at all that stuff.
Well, that shop's dirty. Our shop has a lot of dust and things in it. That's it. Make your car look pretty. That's your project.
Yep.
Take pride in your work.
This is the one that's really dirty over here.
Yeah.
How's that look? Does that look better?
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
A wet rag would really do it.
Yeah.
You missed the spot here, though.
So is this still going to have the friction journals in it, or?
Yep.
Okay. Or
Yep.
I didn't know if we were converting to roller bearings.
No.
We're not going to use it for trains, or
We'll
for
use it
pulling
here,
it.
but these all have friction bearings too.
Oh, they okay.
Yeah. You'll get up to 5 miles an hour.
Yeah. I just remember the old railroaders, talking about, they had like there's a guy on YouTube, Paul Parr, I believe his name was. He was an old car guy for Norfolk Southern for years, but talks about railroading and shows some of the tools they used in the trade, and showed this old iron they would use for lifting these up and, checking the oil in there.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Some of those around somewhere still. There was one in this car. I don't know.
Well, they would probably need it because, that was the conductor's rolling offices back in the day, Anyway, I think I'm bantering on long enough now. Don't want to make the video look unprofessional. Well, it's already unprofessional. I'm not a professional photographer like Kelly, our vice president, but
maybe on a break or something, I'll come out with a wet rag tomorrow.
But yes, it's nearly finished. 100-year-old Wabash caboose. Cupola up on top. All wood. Okay. And there's the 765, the star of the show. People are having throttle time. That's Kelly there. That's Kelly Lynch, our current vice president and kind of our media guy of Lynchpin Productions. We're at the 2020 Pumpkin Train. All right, well, and they're taking off with the next batch of guests to the pumpkin patch. All right. Throttle time. All right, well, I'm going to turn this off now. Save it for my next video.